Hi, this is Tony with Gate Crafters. We're going to do a little video comparing two very popular gate openers, and I want you to see the differences between the two of them. Okay, so we're comparing the Estate Swing 1600 series to the Liftmaster LA400 series. Now these two gate openers are right around the same price, but they have very different features, and I want you to understand the difference. First of all, you can tell there's a significant amount of beefiness to the Estate Swing 1600 series. And there's simplicity on the LA400 series. This is important to keep in mind while we go and look at the other end where the guts are, motors, gears, and control. Also, you want to look here. This is a magnetic limit switch that's completely sealed from any dirt, and it is triggered by a magnet that is attached to this piston. So when the end of the piston moves up and down the shaft, it interacts with the two limit switches. Now let's go look at the motor end. Okay, here are the two motor ends, and we've already talked about the magnetic limit switches in this one. Here are the mechanical limit switches here. They are not quite as reliable as magnetic because they are not completely sealed. Dust gets in it, they can fault. There's also a mechanical limit switch here for the electric release. The downside to this one is if this goes bad, you have to bring the arm in for warranty. It will not operate with a bad switch in it. And then you have a good view of the different size of the gears and stuff. This one's a little bit difficult to see, this main gear here, but it's about half the size of this one. Here's your brass gear. It's significantly bigger than the other one, and you can see the worm drive here, fully shrouded to keep the end from moving, while this one is sticking out. The motors are about the same, but this particular shrouded worm drive has a bearing on the outside, so the pressure against this particular bearing on the end of this motor is significantly lower on this model, and that's what gives it its semi-professional performance. It's going to wear significantly longer than this one. Now there's lots of great bells and whistles on the LA400, but it is a residential gate operator, and it shouldn't be used in any commercial application or any heavy residential application. So you've got MyQ with this. You have to adapt it on that. And this one's significantly easier to work on, and it's a little bit more reliable, especially when you're talking about a semi-commercial or a heavy residential application. One of the things I really enjoy is teaching people about gate openers. And you can see there is a distinct difference between two gate openers that are about the same price. Two totally different applications, but both good gate openers. This is Tony. See you next video.